Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block email notifications from AliExpress. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aliexpress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AliExpress website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, in order to turn off email notification, click on your account icon at the top right corner once again, and then click on Settings. You will then be taken into the settings page. Now, within the settings page, you will see the Activate Email Notifications option. By default, this will not be turned on, but if you click on Activate, then you will see various different alerts or email notifications that can be turned on. If you have turned all of these on within your account, then make sure that these are turned off based on the kind of email notification that you would like to receive or not. Once you turn all of these off, you will be asked whether you would like to turn off email notifications altogether. Click on the Yes button, and now all of your email notifications will be turned off. You can turn them back on from the settings page at whichever time you wish by simply turning on the toggles. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off email notifications on AliExpress. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.